Hey folks, welcome to the BIY DIY right here in the bathroom here. You'll notice this little handle here is just barely hanging on for dear life. We're going to go ahead and show you how to fix this. It's very simple. Part of what we like to do is teach you how to build it yourself, how to do it yourself. That's what the name stands for, BIY DIY. Most people like to use this. It's a very simple anchor system. You put the anchor in, and I'll try to get a better shot of it. It'll expand like so, and then you just put your screw in there with a little washer in. Well, on this one, it's coming out. So I'll show you. Yeah, actually completely came out. And that's what the previous person did. You can see that's where they painted. We're going to go ahead and fix that right now for you. So let me go ahead and show you what you need. On this scenario, you need, for this particular one, you need to go ahead and have a very small straight screwdriver, and then this whole bracket will come off. Then you'll just go ahead and put your new anchor in. Now, the one I use is this one. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down here for you so you can find it on Amazon. It's a very good piece. Let's go ahead and build this, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and open this up. And just going to make sure first that the depth is not longer than this wall is, because if it is, when you screw it in, it's going to start poking through the other side of the wall. Now these are very simple to use. You'll see this little tab piece right here. You just kind of tab it over, and then you can kind of push it in to your wall. If you don't have the hole already, you're just going to have to make a hole. And then there it is. You just have to pull it back. It's going to tab itself. Then you just pull the zip tie in. There we go. Now all we do is just pull it at an angle, and it will pop right off. If it pops at a weird angle and it makes it too sharp, just pull out your knife and then just go ahead and slice the end off. Now, we've got this bracket right here. Just double check, make sure everything works correctly. There we go. Now, if you don't have a regular screw gun, you can go ahead and use a manual. This just makes it a lot quicker. There, and from start to finish, that has been under 5 minutes. Very simple, very strong now. Hopefully that helps. Please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and follow for more tips.